Hello guys, welcome back once again in this study tree. Guys, we are seeing that climate is changing day by day. So we all have to be very careful guys. Be at home, be safe and carry on studying. Be helpful to everyone and help everyone in their studies. Help your brother, elder sister, younger brother, younger sister. If possible, help your friends. If not possible, help them by the help of WhatsApp, okay, in their studies. Guys, Bloomfield International School is always standing with you for your studies. So guys, I request you all to please concentrate and watch the full video without skipping. Well guys, before starting the video, I would like to request you all to please press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel. Guys, today we are going to study on exercise 7, verbs present tense. Guys, in my previous video I had told you, I had requested you and made you understand that tense is very important chapter guys. Most of us we think that no, tense is not compulsory while speaking, in literature or in writing. Never think that guys. No, not at all. Tense is very important guys. So I request you all to please concentrate and watch the full video. Well, in our previous class we had studied about something about the tense. How many tenses are there? There are 3 tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the structure of the simple present tense. Many of us we face problem. There are many videos guys in YouTube and many teachers even, but I'll try my level best to make you understand in a very simple way. So I request you to just concentrate and watch the video. Okay? Now guys, structure of the simple present tense: type, subject, auxiliary verb and main verb. Okay? Guys, before starting I would like to request you that suppose I ask you, I am a boy or I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. In this sentence, where is the subject standing here? Yes, I is my subject here. Sita is going to school. Where is Sita? What is Sita here? Sita is a subject here. My brother is playing football. Where is my subject here? My brother. My brother is my subject. So how many subjects are there in English while studying of tense? There are 8 subjects guys, always remember. There are 8 subjects: I, you, we, they, he, she, it, name. There is a trick, go according to the trick guys, so that it will be in your mind forever and forever. There are, what did I tell you? How many subjects are there? There are 8 subjects: I, you, we, they and he, she, it, name. I, you, we, they and he, she, it, name. Okay? Keep 4 subjects in right hand and keep 4 subjects in your left hand, so that it will be easy to catch in your mind forever and forever. My brother is playing football. Football is my complement, you can say, or the object. Well guys, where is my main verb here? My brother is playing football. My brother is playing football in this subject. Where is my main verb? The main verb is playing. So, what is a verb? There are 2 types of verb now guys. Auxiliary verb and the main verb. is, are, am, was, were, have, has, had. These are all auxiliary verbs. Okay, examples of auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs or helping verb. And the main verb, for example, eat, play, dance, write, going, coming. There are 5 forms of verb. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4 and verb 5. Okay. Now come, let us discuss about the structure of the simple present tense. Here I have mentioned here type, which type of sentences are there. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, WH questions, negative interrogative and WH negative questions. Here I have mentioned subjects, I, you, we, they, he, she, it names. Here has been mentioned here. Okay, auxiliary verbs are here written, mentioned, and here main verbs has been written here. Well guys, now for affirmative sentences, this you have to remember. Try to note it down this, so that after watching the video, it will be, you should just go through the which you have noted down in your notebook. Just do some revision guys. Okay, because labor achieves goal. So that it will be easier for you to understand the tenses in a proper way. So that it will be easier to talk, to motivate to anyone in fluency. Well guys, now for affirmative sentences, I, you, we, they. Okay, for I, you, we, they, auxiliary verbs has not been given here. Main verbs is work. I work, we work, you work, they work. That means for I, we, you, they, verb 1 we use. What do we use? Verb 1 we use. Well, and for affirmative sentences, for he, she, it and any name, Radha, Sita, Gita. Okay, for he, she, it name, we use verb 5, works. He works, she works, it works, Radha works, Gita works, my teacher works, my father works, my mother works. That means for he, she, it name, okay, we use verb 5. What do we use? Verb 5. Always remember guys. Well, come to the next step for negative sentences. Now for negative sentences. For I, we, you, they do not work. Well, for I, we, you, they do not work. I do not work. We do not work. You do not work. They do not work. It's easy. For negative sentences, for he, she, it name, okay, does not work. He does not work. She does not work. It does not work. Okay, it does not work. My father does not work. My mother does not work. My friend does not work. Well, now come to the WH words has been written here. Auxiliary verbs has been written here. Subject and the main verb has been mentioned here. For interrogative sentences, why do you work? Okay, why do you work? Now WH questions. These are the WH questions guys. Why do you work? Why do you play? Why do you eat? Why do you laugh? Well, and put the question mark in the end of the sentence, because here it is interrogative sentences. Whenever we use WH questions, so in the last of the sentences we have to use the question mark. Well guys, now negative interrogative, okay, WH questions negative. Who doesn't? Okay, who? Okay, who don't work? Okay, don't you work? Well, don't you work? Or doesn't he work? this type. So guys, you have to just pay attention on all these points. Once again I am repeating guys, main structure is this, that for I, we, you, they, we use verb 1. For he, she, it, name, we use verb 5. Okay? For negative sentences, we use I, we, you, they for subject. Then we use do not. I do not work, we do not work, you do not work, they do not work. For he, she, it, name, we use does not. Just try to copy all these guys, okay, in your notebook. Well guys, if you face any problem, just go to the comment box, mention your problem. In next video, we'll try our level best to solve your problem. Now come to the next step. Well guys, now we are talking about present continuous or present progressive tense. Okay, what we are talking about? We are talking about present continuous or present progressive tense. Okay, pay attention here. The present continuous tense is also called present progressive tense. Okay, it refers to an action. It refers to an action that is going on. Okay, that is going on. Okay. Well guys, just we were talking about the present continuous or present progressive tense. Okay, so here I have mentioned you, here I have made you understand the present continuous. Once again, the present continuous tense is also called present progressive tense. Okay, it refers to an action that is going on. What are you doing at present? You are watching video. What I am doing? I am teaching. Okay, the main work has been, it's going on. Okay, now at the time of speaking, okay, Raj is playing cricket. That means Raj is still playing. The work of play is going on. Okay, I am watching the video. What are you doing? You are watching video. That means of watching. The work of watching is going on. That means you are still watching the video. Okay, now uses of present continuous tense. Uses of present continuous tense to refer to an action in progressive at the time of speaking. The same very thing I made you understand at present. Okay, he is jogging. That means the work of jogging is going on. Well guys, I am eating my breakfast. That means the work of eating is going on still. Okay, now to refer to a short term, okay, temporary action that may not be taking place at the time of speaking. Once again, this point guys, to refer to a short term temporary action that may not be taking place, that may not be taking place at the time of speaking. Okay, that means, for example, he is coming late. He is coming late to school nowadays. That means the work of coming is not taking place at present. Okay, for present. But nowadays he is coming late. Okay, nowadays. Well guys, now come to did you understand? Now the structure. It's time for the structure of progressive tense. Now guys, it's time for structure of the present continuous tense. This is the structure given here guys. I have made it more easy for you to understand, so that it will be easy for you and try to use all this. Okay, I had given you some work in the PDF. Just go through my PDF. All the pages has been scanned guys. Okay, before discussing anything else about anything else, come let us finish this. Okay, structure of the present continuous tense: type, subject, be verb form and main verb. Well guys, okay, first is affirmative sentences. We have to discuss about the affirmative sentences. In sentence you are using I, you, we, they. Okay. So your be form is written here. Am, are, is, and the main verb is sleeping here. Okay. Now for affirmative sentences, I am sleeping. I am sleeping. You are sleeping. We are sleeping. They are sleeping. Okay. He is sleeping. She is sleeping. It is sleeping. And any name. Okay. Govind is sleeping. Hari is sleeping. I have made you understand that for which subject, which be form verb you have to use. For I you have to use am. Okay. For I you have to use am. For you. Okay. For you, we, they, we use are. You are sleeping. We are sleeping. They are sleeping. And for he, she, it, name we use she for the singular form. Okay. We use verb 1. Now next, negative sentences. For negative sentences, guys. Okay, negative. I am not sleeping. You are not sleeping. Okay, you are not is written here. I am not, are not, and is not has been mentioned here for you. Okay, go through this. Okay, I am not sleeping. You are not sleeping. We are not sleeping. They are not sleeping. Okay, for he, she, it, name is not sleeping. He is not playing. She is not playing. They are not playing. Name for any name. My father is not sleeping. Okay. My mother is not cooking. Okay. Now WH words. The WH words has been given you for you here. WH words. B form verb is given you here. Is or am is written here. Subject is mentioned here and main verb plus ing form. Okay. For interrogative sentences, guys. For interrogative sentences, for WH questions, who? Okay. Who is sleeping? Okay. If you want to make it interrogative sentences, am I sleeping? Okay. Are we sleeping? Okay. Are you sleeping? Is he sleeping? Is she sleeping? Is it sleeping? Is my father sleeping? Is my mother cooking? Okay. Now for WH questions is written here. WH questions has been mentioned here. Who is sleeping? Okay. Who is sleeping? Well guys, for any of the subjects. Well, any doubt? I had made you understand nicely. It is given. I had made this chart. I labored a lot, guys, to complete this chart. So your responsibility is that to go through the chart. Okay, the table. Just note it down in your fair copy. Hope that which we request you, please do follow the requests. Okay, of all the teachers, not only for the grammar portion, not only for the Hindi portion. Okay, for all the subjects. Be careful, concentrate, watch the full video of all the subjects, guys. Well guys, I request you to please complete the work of all the subjects in the fair copy. Hope that you had made the you had done up your fair copy. You had made your special fair copy. Just mention it. Mention the date over here, right up here in the copy if possible. Well guys, now it's time to please note it down all this, and please go to the comment box now and mention your name. As you mention your name, your attendance is taken up here. Well guys, it is mandatory to mention your name in the comment box. Well guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like my channel, guys. Share my channel. Okay, hope that you all learned something. Okay, if any problem, just mention some comment in the comment box. Well guys, I'll try my level best to solve your problems. Okay, have a good day, enjoy a lot, and be safe at home, guys. Okay, thank you very much.